Good morning, dear students. Today we will be knowing about different types of birds, which already we have learned in science chapter, right? So let's start. The birds. Birds are our feathered friends. So you can see there are many birds in this slide. Sparrow, penguin, Indian peacock. We know peacock is the national bird of India, right? And the largest bird is ostrich. And smallest bird is hummingbird. We know some birds can fly, some can swim, like duck can swim. Some birds can run like ostrich run very fast. It is the fastest running bird. What are birds? Warm-blooded feathered animals with unique features. We know that birds only can fly. Birds can fly. Yes, they have feathers all over the body. You know the feathers? What is the meaning of feathers? Palok, yes. Next, they have how many wings? They have 2 wings. And they have a beak to eat the food. And the ostrich, that bird, it has very long and strong legs. They lay eggs. Okay, they do not give birth their young ones. First they lay eggs. After that, and most of the birds can fly. Okay, and they have warm-blooded, and all over the body they have full feathers. A bird. Now we'll know what is there in the bird. First one, feathers. They have unique and colorful feathers. Most of the birds have colorful feathers, but the crow has only black feather, and the swan has only white feather. Yes, wings. What are the use of wings? The wings are used to fly, upstroke and downstroke. Yes, next is beak. We have leaf, but the birds have beak. The beaks help the bird to eat food. We know that for the living beings we need to eat food. Yes, next hollow bones. You know we have bones, we have learned it. The birds also have bones, but their bones are hollow, means papa. Why? Because it makes them lightweight so that they can fly easily. They have 2 legs. What are the use of legs? We walk, for perching, for running, and they have the strong grip. They can hold the stream easily. They can hold anything, or they can hold their prey. We know, most of us we eat egg of duck and hens. So who lay eggs? Birds. The birds lay eggs. Different types of birds. First one is the flying bird, like eagle. Eagle can fly very, very slow or fast. Swimming bird. The duck, we have seen the ducks in the pond. Whenever we visit any villages, we can see the ducks are swimming. In the pictures also we have seen so many times. Yes. Third one is running bird. You know the ostrich. Ostrich is the fastest running bird, and ostrich is the largest bird. One is climbing bird. Parrot is a climbing bird. Eat the flesh. They are the flesh-eating birds, like eagle, vulture. They are the flesh-eating birds. Next, so crow has the highly intelligent. You have learned the parrot. There is a very good thing in parrot. Parrot can talk like us. They can mimic like us. Like they can talk, like can hunt with their leg or claws. Yes. So bird. First one is head. Beak for eating. Legs to stand and walk and to perch. Claw for gripping. Yes. Next is feet. And tail is to change the what? Direction. Very good. Next, feathers. Wings. This is our neck, and that is bird's neck. And the eye so that they can see their prey and everything. Next, first one. What is this bird? This is a sparrow. Sparrow has the short and thick for hooked beak. Hook is like this. Hooked beak. See, for hooked beak is for tearing the meat, because they eat flesh of other animals. Eagle, vulture, they eat the flesh of the other animals. So they have the hooked beak. Third one, white beak. White for filtering food from water. Because you know duck, mostly aquatic bird. Duck is an aquatic bird. They lives on the pond, right, or lake. So they have to eat. They have to find out from a sucking beak. That is the hummingbird. Hummingbird, most of the times they suck nectars from the flowers. So that's why they have the different types of beak. Bird can go backward. Hummingbird, very good. So we have got 3 pictures of hummingbird. The smallest bird, the bird which can move backward, and the bird which can suck the nectar from the flowers. Very good. Importance of bird. Now what is the importance of bird in our environment? First one, help pollination. Birds carry pollen from flower to flower. You know there are the birds eat seeds. When they eat seeds, they They spread some seeds here and there, and then from the seeds, what happens? New, from the seeds, what grows? New plant. Yes. Next, control pests, because the insects, they eat insects, and in this way they control the insects or pests. Next, keep nature clean. You know the some birds like eagle, vulture, they eat flesh, and by eating this flesh they keep the nature clean, because mostly they eat the sometimes dead body or the dead body of the animals or any other things. Okay, next, Guterial, source of healthy food. We know during the breakfast or lunch we eat egg. So from where we get eggs? From the birds only, because hen, duck, they are the birds. And the last one, beautify the nature, because the color. What is the national bird of India? Peacock. Because it is very famous for dancing. It spreads its feather, and during the rainy season it dances. Okay. So the largest bird is ostrich. Fastest bird is falcon. And the smallest bird, already you know, that is hummingbird. Excellent swing for you. Which is the smallest bird?
Hummingbird.
Very good. Clap for Anshika. Which bird cannot fly?
Penguin.
Very good. Clap for. Which is the largest bird?
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Very good. Clap for name one bird which can eat fish. Very good. Put down your hands. Put down. What is the use of feathers? Viraj say.
To keep their body warm. To fly.
Which bird can mimic our voice?
Parrot.
Very good. Clap for.
Flesh from other animals.
Very good. Which bird has strong but short beak?
Red is used for eating seeds and flesh. Is used for eating flesh.
Very good. Which bird sucks nectar from the flowers?
Hummingbird.
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 So children, did you enjoy the class?
Yes.